Yo, what's up everybody, it's your boy nappie, and welcome to my channel. On today's episode you will just love it because I'm right here in Accra, Ghana. We are going to talk about this beautiful mansion behind me. It's for a Jamaican who came to Ghana and lived his life in America, and he's saying he's never going back to America again. So we are going to go inside there and ask him why he's never going to go back to America, and then why he wants to live in Africa forever. So if you're ready, come with me, let's go! Yo guys, so you've already seen my videos already, but tonight is going to be something else. We're going to bring you more fire. Tell them something. Yeah. All right. Okay. So guys, yes, I've been welcomed inside, and I'm going to show you what we have.
Rastafari.
Salati I. Now, you guys thought I couldn't speak Patois, but I'm here to speak Patois with my brother. Guys, his name is Tafari, and I added Ras to it, so it's Rastafari. So Rastafari X. Yes. X stands for peace, S stands for strength. You can't break it. Everywhere it goes, it blocks you. Yeah. So let's do it real quick. You told me you're never going to go back to America, but America is full of life, man.
No. Full of life, America full of stress, you know?
Really?
Yeah, that's where I'm going right now. No man, we now go back to America, brother. For what? You know, so we really take place in that desert. America is not nightmare for we as people, you know? Africa our home, man, you know? Yeah, man. Africa is the place.
So what makes Africa your home?
Everybody look like me, my brother.
Exactly.
And yes, human being started from. So I say creation starts in the motherland, my brother. So we know that for a fact.
Right. We know that for a fact.
Yeah.
So you told me there's a nice place you want to show me too. And, I'm really privileged.
Of course.
Our people out there in Europe, in America, rent so much expensive houses and all that for even a month. They don't get it for a year, but here in Ghana, mostly we get it for a year or two.
3, 4, 5, not 6, 7.
And you had this place for a year.
2 years.
2 years, okay, 2 years. And will it be able to tell us the price if you don't mind? But if you don't want to tell it,
man, at the promised land, man, we have to make the people know. Yeah, like for 3 bedroom, 3 bathroom, like, to be honest, like 1,000 buffer make money. You see me? 1,000 US money for the year.
1,000 for a year?
Yeah.
Wow.
Because
can you get that same 3 bedrooms, 1,000 for a year?
No man, you're not even can get a 1 bedroom for that, you know? You have to get more than that one to get a 1 bedroom.
For 1,000 for just a bedroom?
Yeah, and my brother, 1,000 and you see the space, my brother.
It's so big. Yes, the space is so big. I took you around, you see it? It's so big, the space here. So this is the living room and it's so big. Just take me on a real quick tour. Our brothers and sisters would like to look at it.
They want to see how the fire is.
Yeah. So guys, this is it. We're going to take a quick tour into the rooms. Wow, this is beautiful, guys. This is beautiful. Just take a look. Man, this is beautiful. Very spacious. Very spacious. All for $1,000 per a year, and you're never going to get this anywhere.
Look on the space, my brother, you know?
It's so huge.
The bathroom there, so you don't know the thing, you know?
The bathroom is also very nice. Cool, serene. You can even sleep here if you want to. Yeah,
so you see it, my brother.
Yeah. Guys, I'm so sorry I don't have a cameraman today, but I'm just managing like this.
It's good, man. Man. No need to worry, man. Once you show the people what they want, them pretty love it, man.
Right.
But you see, kings and queen, Mama Africa is the place for us, man. Come here and come live like king and queen.
Right.
Away from the West.
Sure.
Yeah. Don't know anything.
Wow. See, another bedroom. So that was the first one. A bigger room and another bigger room. This is a second bedroom, but look how big it is. It's also big enough too. So you guys, every time you go to a house, a new place, you need to look into the bathroom, which is also clean. You can see that for yourself. Yeah, this is no lie. It's right before your eyes. Yeah, so this is the powder room for guests. Yes, this is the room for guests. That's the bathroom. That's the bathroom for the guests. And it's separated, so you have your peace of mind to shower and to, you know what I mean, to visit your ancestors here.
It's funny that that's not the only place we can visit our ancestors.
Yeah, and this is the third room. Yes, camera don't lie. So that's why I came with my camera to see if it's true. And our brother here has really shown us whatever it's here. My brother, I don't think we have to do much. Because this is the truth. We've seen it. All for 1,000 and it's for 2 years. And it's so beautiful.
Yes, King.
Do you think our brothers and sisters out there will be willing to live like this here in Ghana or Africa?
Like in the West?
No, here.
When they leave and go to the West?
They leave from the West and come here. Would they like to live like this here?
Of course. Why not? We as African people, we are king and queen, you know? So, if we live life, you know, not by materialism, but just live life, you know? Really
enjoy life. Yeah. So, live life and enjoy life. So, this is also the kitchen. Yes. This is also the kitchen. Yes.
Yeah, man, it's so huge, man.
Yeah, very huge, very huge. Those who like huge kitchens, this is the kitchen. Yeah, he's a male. He doesn't really use the kitchen a lot.
Yeah, man. Sometimes the spirit don't need food, you know.
Yeah. So this is a storeroom, right?
You know, I'm put my cutlass, my thing there, man.
Yes, we have all the weapons you need here.
Yeah. It's a nice cutlass and sit in the room. You know the thing, man.
Nice. So this is the price of coming to Ghana, and it's amazing. You're not gonna get this anywhere in the world. And my brother here, Rastafari X, has really shown us this beauty in Ghana, and this is life.
Yeah, man. So real talk, my people. People in Ghana and in the West. Who know say Accra land our place, you know what I mean? We have to see the youth in the motherland, you see me? At time for we start to get confused and think nothing in the promised land when it's foolish, because the entire world live off of the continent of Africa, you see me? And we the people get confused. I don't know where really are going. You see it, we are waiting for savior, but we have to come to Africa and come save ourselves and brothers and sisters and make the earth run peacefully. Right. That's simple, my people.
Very simple.
So, when you see the prayer already, this is Africa. No doubt about it. Exactly. Come back and just come live, man, and help brothers and sisters.
Live like a king. Live like a queen. Don't come and hate our brothers and sisters, but just come and support them.
Support, man. You see it, and you have to really understand to my people. Coming back to the continent, it's not all about money. You see me I say? Real talk, it's not all about money. Come back with love in your heart, man. Come back, come show brothers and sisters love. They will show you back. It's that simple.
Exactly.
See it?
Exactly.
So bless up my people and know where I go on, man. Cheese! It's the place for us, you know? Yeah.
Cuba land.
Cuba land. You know what?
Alright, so Cuba land simply means Africa until Berlin Conference and they changed the name to Africa. It was Cuba land. Yeah. So if you didn't know, this is it. So catch you on the other side. I'm gonna meet you on the other side. And please, if you want a room here, come through me. Now I own this house.
Yeah, man, I don't know the room them very reasonable, the 2 room them, so free Wi-Fi, so
yeah, free Wi-Fi, you know, 2 bedroom for you, and then don't worry.
Brothers and sisters, you know?
If you want to come to Africa and you don't know where to get or where to go, I will link you up to this place at a very affordable price. So just link up with me, and then I'll get a place for you secured.
Yeah, man,
before you come to Ghana. Catch you on the other side. Peace out.